We have the Rhine River out there. Nice little view of a courtyard. We keep on stepping back, stepping back. We have a nice little burgundy chair there with a little place for your legs. A side table for water. It says with their compliments. And then this is the desk. It has a chair and a telephone right there. We turn some more to see the bed. A nice little pleather back headboard. A couple side tables. One that looks like it has a wireless charger. We have some light controls right there. Outlets over here as well. We got little leaves for the artwork on both sides. We're gonna have our back towards the mirror or the window, and then we can see how long this table is. There are drawers underneath. TV. We come to our coffee cove with the teas, teapot, all your stuff right there, a little mirror action. We do have a mini fridge and that is empty, so you can put anything you want in there. Then we have this long closet, room for stuff there. Got your iron, do have shelves. We have another one right here. If we open it up, we will see a safe as well as a bag rack, more shelves as well. And we are right here, room 1206. Bright bathroom, which I love. Hair dryer at the bottom, towels are down there. Classic Hilton amenities. There's even a bath or a toilet scrub, toilet tissue down there, high and low flow flush, extra mirror. We have a nice walk-in shower, tall glass door, the same products. We have two heads for you. Down there. This is our nice bathroom. So folks, this is the room.